Hello and welcome back to Faceless Security, where we explore the world of technology and cybersecurity. Today, we're discussing best practices for information and asset classification. Proper classification is crucial for protecting sensitive data and managing assets efficiently. We'll cover data classification types and methods, asset classification, and asset handling requirements. Let's get started. Data classification is the process of organizing data into categories based on its sensitivity and importance. Common types include public, information that can be freely shared with the public without any adverse impact. Private, information intended for internal use within an organization, such as internal emails and internal memos. Confidential, sensitive information that could cause harm if disclosed, including financial records, personal data, and proprietary information. There are several methods to classify data effectively. Data tagging, assigning labels or tags to data based on its classification level. This helps in easily identifying and managing data. Automated tools, utilizing software that automatically classifies data based on predefined rules and patterns. Manual classification, involving employees in the process of classifying data based on guidelines provided by the organization. Asset classification involves categorizing assets based on their physical nature and value to the organization. Tangible assets, physical items such as computers, servers, and other hardware. These are easy to identify and track. Intangible assets, non-physical items such as intellectual property, software licenses, and digital content. These require careful management to ensure their protection and proper use. Classifying assets based on their sensitivity levels helps in determining the appropriate security measures. High sensitivity, assets that, if compromised, could cause significant harm to the organization, such as proprietary technology or critical infrastructure. Medium sensitivity, assets that are important but not critical, like internal project documents. Low sensitivity, assets with minimal impact if compromised, such as public marketing materials. Clearly defining ownership is crucial for asset management. The owner is responsible for the proper use, maintenance, and security of the asset. This includes ensuring that the asset is classified correctly and that appropriate security measures are in place. Accountability means that individuals or teams are held responsible for the security and management of the assets. This involves regular audits, reporting, and ensuring compliance with organizational policies and standards. Custodians are individuals or entities that manage and protect the assets on behalf of the owners. They ensure that assets are stored, maintained, and used according to the established guidelines. Custodians play a vital role in the day-to-day handling of assets, ensuring their integrity and security. Develop and implement clear policies and procedures for data and asset classification. These policies should be communicated to all employees to ensure consistent understanding and application. Leverage technology, such as data classification tools and asset management software, to automate and streamline the classification process. This helps reduce human error and ensures consistency across the organization. Conduct regular training sessions to educate employees on the importance of data and asset classification. Awareness programs help in reinforcing the policies and ensuring that everyone understands their roles and responsibilities. Implement continuous monitoring and regular reviews of classification practices. This ensures that the classification schemes remain effective and adapt to changing organizational needs and threats. In conclusion, effective information and asset classification are critical for protecting sensitive data and managing assets efficiently. By implementing clear policies, leveraging technology, and promoting continuous improvement, organizations can enhance their security posture and operational efficiency. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content from Faceless Security.